for the team, like education, for the KT purpose. Right. All right.
So if you wanted to create a new user, you can click on admin, user management. Here you'll be able to create new user, create new. You need to give a respective username. So how we keep the username is very simple. Now, for example, the parent account is this. Now we will just remove EDarpan TU. Okay. And you can add the username. For example, it was Tireplex that you had, right? TYREPLEX. Okay. Tireplex and promo, for example. Numeric promo. This is for promotional messages with numeric sender, right?
Right.
You can add the exact name of the enterprise. That is, I believe, TIREPLEX.
Right.
Address, if required. If you have nothing like it, email ID. While mentioning email ID, we request you to keep, this email ID. Okay. ENTP.sd, that is our email ID. You can keep mobile number as Pushpender's mobile number.
Okay. So this is like we can change the email ID and mobile number later.
I'm sorry.
Can we change the mobile number, address, and email ID later?
You will be able to. Once you create the user, you'll not be able to change anything. But generally, the way we create it, so we keep our service delivery team email ID as email ID, and sales account manager's number is mobile number. Then you can have your password of your choice.
Right. Okay.
Right.
Got it.
Confirm the password.
Right.
GST number. Right. Coming to TPS, TPS will be aligned to your account, and from there you can bifurcate. For example, if the 100 TPS is given to you, so you can keep bifurcating that TPS into your child accounts.
I didn't get about TPS. If you can please more elaborate on this.
So would you be using what we can say an API integration for all your child account, or would you be doing it via panel?
Both, as we were discussing last time.
Okay. And what number of what is the kind of volume that we are looking at?
Kind of volume overall you are saying, or per client?
Each client.
So that volume can go up to maybe 1 million each, about 1 million each.
1 million over the period of time, maybe a month.
1 month.
6 months. 1 month. What would be the daily submission that?
So you can divide accordingly, like 1 million divided by 30 days simply.
Because TPS is something with the speed with which your messages would be submitted.
Oh, okay.
Right?
All right.
So there's the reason it is better to have a good
the lower the number, the lower the number, the better speed will be. Is it?
Higher the number, the better speed will be.
Okay. All right.
And it is not about,
this number can range from 1 to 10, right?
Means it is not about just going ahead and giving any higher number. As I said, for example, if 100 TPS is given to your parent account, that is EDarpan, PU, and promo, so that 100 would be divided between your clients.
Oh, okay. All right.
Right?
Got it. The maximum number can be 10.
We would say, see, 10 is 10 requests per second. Okay. So based on that.
Okay. So what is the full form exactly? PS, I get it per second. What is
throughput per second or transaction per second? Something like that.
Transactions per second. Okay. All right. Got it. Now I get it.
DLT telemarketer ID would remain the same. You need to change the PID every time you create the account.
I lost you. Sorry, I lost your last sentence.
I said DLT telemarketer ID. You cannot change that. As you see, it is not modifiable. Okay.
Right. It is not.
Same applies here as well. This is something that you need to enter every time of the in whom you are creating the account,
Okay.
right?
Right.
Account manager, you can keep Pushpinder email IDs initial. For example, you can keep this as this.
Right.
I'm just passing on few details to you over here.
So account manager, the username only pushpinder.singh, that will be mentioned.
Yes.
Okay.
Email ID.
Okay. And this ID is also will remain the same all the times
Yes, it is advisable to keep it.
as it is.
पुष्पिंदर आपका नंबर बताइए.
Yes, sir. 9971 98 0344.
Okay. Then this would be same as accepted from the drop down.
Right.
You will
In the meantime, I just also got the login of admin, the primary user of EDarpan, and I have logged in. So if you maybe want to try it out again.
one second.
Sure.
I'll just stop my screen sharing.
Sure.
You can start your screen sharing.
Yes, I'll do it. So here is it. And here, I guess PTM binding is available on this
Yes.
admin primary user.
You can click on new request on the right hand side.
New request, right? Okay. And that ID I need to check. Okay. What should be the chain name?
It should be anything which would reflect the understanding that it is between Paraplex and Times. So you can say TIL hyphen Times hyper Tiaplex.
Okay.
Perfect. You can click on submit request. I'm also logged in here, so I'll just refresh my page and see if I have received it.
Right.
Yes. Paraplex Technologies. I have approved it. You can refresh the page now. Oh, you have stopped sharing.
Okay, just on the, I thought like you were sharing the screen. Just on.
No.
Yes, it is showing pending final approval.
Can you share it?
Okay. So I think it will send the OTP. Right? No, I have approved
I
it.
don't think so.
Okay. Yes, I have approved it. So now it's showing under registered PETN chain. And also,
Correct. Yes.
if you want to see the screen, should I share or is it fine?
No, that's perfectly fine. I also can see chain status is active now.
Right.
Right. Perfect.
Sure.
So I'm sharing my screen again.
Sure.
So we were here, account manager, Pushpinder's email ID is initial, accepted. Okay, select the country as India. This will be standard. Authorization, you can say user,
Okay.
and status would be active.
Okay. All right. So if you can scroll a bit above. Okay. So previously you had mentioned all these details like user ID, first name, last name. So only the email ID which you mentioned that is advisable to keep static. Email ID
Email
and
ID,
mobile
email ID, mobile number, as well as account manager
account.
ID.
Okay, these are required to be static. For everyone, all the child accounts we are
Yes.
creating.
Yes. And the nomenclature that we saw just now, it is something like this. Means if you are creating it under n promo, then
Mhm.
username would be entity initial and promo, entity initial OTP, entity initial trans, something like that. In
The
case of
user.
Tarpex itself, it would be something like this.
Okay, right. Okay. Only we are removing the PU part. Just that PU is
EDarpan,
for.
we are removing EDarpan PU and we are adding Tarplex.
Okay. Okay. All right. Everything remains the same. Right. Right. Got it.
So we will do one thing since it is approved. Just give me a moment. This is chain ID, right? Your PID is ending with 622, right? 73622.
Just it would be. I'm not sure. I need to check. Chain ID showing up to me.
No,
I'm
no, no.
not
The
sure.
PID on the right hand top, I think you will find it.
On the
Where the entity name is mentioned.
but there is no such ID mentioned. It is only showing panel :PE admin.
Okay, give me a moment then.
So you would have received the request for
One
91
second.
weeks.
Hang on.
They have also sent.
हाँ बोलिए ना. Yeah, my apologies for the same. Just give me a
No
moment.
worries.
This
So you would have received the 91 V's request also. Yes, but this is Vansan Media Private Limited, their legal company name.
okay. Just a moment. I'll just check this first. Tarplex. Yes, this is the PID. Great. Now this is the ID. Okay. For
Okay.
example, the name is Tarplex. PLEX. TYREPLEX. Numeric. Promo. Okay. We will copy the entire PE name for the easy understanding as the enterprise name. This company is based out of Delhi only.
Gurgaon, like Delhi NCR.
DPSD पुष्पिंदर का नंबर चाहिए अपने को. एक मिनट.
So ideally, if we are entering our own mobile number, what would be the difference if we are entering, let's say?
There is no difference. You can.
Okay, so I think we'll add our own mobile number and email ID if that is not
So generally, the the password that we keep is something like this.
right.
Okay.
Sure. So maybe I am sharing you the mobile number, which you can also listen, and email ID if you can count that email ID.
Okay. No, this will not accept the first and the last name. It should means it is managed in such a manner that it is first name dot last name, something like that.
Okay.
Initial email.
Right. Got it.
Okay.
Right. Got it.
So I'll take it from this here. Accepted. India. Sign. User. Active. And we will create this user.
Okay.
So your user is created.
Right.
You can add credits from here.
Okay.
You can remove credits from here.
Okay.
Okay. User action. If you wanted to make any changes here,
Okay.
you can do, and you can reset password from here.
Okay. But removal of users is not possible.
No.
Okay.
You cannot delete the user once created.
Okay. Got it.
Right?
Sure.
Now we will try and log on to your child user that we have taken. So there's the user. We have not added any credits as of now that you can do as per your requirement. As we discussed that day, that's the dashboard. We'll get to know how many messages were sent, how many got successfully submitted to operator, how many got delivered, if at all there are any rejection, and the available balance.
Okay. Got it. One question here, from maybe Pushpendra.
Yes, Gagan.
So Pushpendra, this will be like via the credits, or is it like maybe the billing will be done after completion of the month kind of thing?
Yes, means your account on a postpaid mode, but means you have to manage that credit by your own end.
Okay.
आपको देखना है आपको कितने किस क्लाइंट को कितना क्रेडिट देना है.
Okay. Because if we are not adding the credits, their API call will get failed, right?
Correct. So आपको वो make sure करना पड़ेगा कि उनके पास sufficient credits हों SMS रन करने के लिए.
Oh, okay. got it. Can we do this maybe automate in an automated way? Because वो manually देखना बार बार क्योंकि अगर किसी का ज़्यादा use हो रहा है तो that will be a bit difficult.
गौरव रिपोर्ट आ सकती है?
रिपोर्ट आ सकती है,
हाँ,
ऑटोमेटिक नहीं हो सकता क्रेडिट एडिशन.
Okay.
तो आपको आपका जो ईमेल आईडी रहेगा, सो वी विल ऑटोमेट द रिपोर्टिंग पार्ट ओवर देयर.
Okay.
डेली आपको रिपोर्ट आता रहेगा कि कितना क्रेडिट यूज हो चुका है, सो अकॉर्डिंगली आप उसको ऐड कर सकते हो.
Okay. Sure. That would work. That will work.
So Gagan, one question: how many child accounts that you have created with your existing SMS vendor?
So we have 8 sub accounts created under our main account right now.
Okay. And what number of messages these users are sending on a daily basis?
So approximately, if you divide, I'll just do the simple math because right now we are also sending about more than 1 million overall. I'm saying. So just a minute. It would come around approximately 35 to 40,000 messages a day.
No. That is okay. Out of these 8 users, if you say 35,000 daily, then
Total.
total
In
35,000 daily by
Right.
these 8 users, right?
Right.
Then how exactly you are, means bifurcating this volume into promo, OTP, and trans?
Okay. All right. So right now there is no
Because
such
see,
thing.
what my understanding is that none of your client, it is my understanding, correct me if I'm wrong, none of your client would be using numeric promo, because numeric promo is something which is not easily used or recommended or used by client. Reason being,
Right. No one is
as
using.
as I said, they have it. That message has no identity.
Right. No one is using it actually right now.
OTP. See, the reason I'm asking you these questions is because, as I showed at the time of user creation, TPS. Now, it would be very, much required that you need to manage. Reason being, if your OTP messages are something which are being API integrated and all, so
Right.
you need to check that number of submissions are being done on a daily basis,
Right.
and how exactly that flow is working. Based on that, you'll be able to decide that what TPS you need to align. Same thing would work for your transactional account as well, whether it is a panel executed campaign or API integrated thing. So these are the things that you need to have some understanding of the volume sent by the client, and accordingly you can align the TPS over them.
Okay. Right. Transaction.
And this is one of the I was of the opinion in the first call, if you remember, that
Right.
when you require any user creation, you can just send a mail across. We will create the user. We will get the detail to you. Panel
Okay.
look and feel is going to be same for all the users. Means it is not
Right.
changing. This is going to be same for all the users.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about I know these things where I know TPS and everything is coming into picture.
Okay.
Credit allocation means right now, as Pushpender correctly said, that we will not be sending any reports to your client,
Right.
any email about the consumption to your client. We
Right.
will send it to you based on means whatever new account. For example, right now, if you say there are 8 accounts that we need to create and give it to you, we will create those 8 accounts and give it to you, and you will have a daily consumption detail come that okay, fine, these are the accounts and this is the consumption and this is the available balance. So you'll have a
Right.
whole picture in front of you, and based on that you can decide, okay, means if I wanted to add a credit somewhere, if I wanted to make some changes, that was the reason.
Right. Sure. I understood that.
So yes, you have the Pushpender, आपने panel का URL और username password दे दिए है ना?
Yes, sir. I have already shared it.
So you can try creating the user as we checked, and if you need any help, please feel free.
Sure, sir. Sure. I'll just try on. and I'll let you know like whenever if I face any difficulty or is there anything.
Yeah,
Mhm.
sure, sure.
And Gagan, just one question, like how soon you are going to start the traffic?
So possibly from next month only, because we are already sitting on 21st, and
Mhm.
the integration is also required from their side. I also wanted to confirm from like Sir Gaurav sir, right? How to add the templates, etc. At which place do we need to add the templates, and is there
If you
any
are very,
bulk addition of
if you are,
templates?
I think you already have my API document with you, right?
No, sir, I don't have right now.
Okay, ठीक है. We will share the API document with you. You can refer that document. You can pass on the document to all your child account users who are going
Okay,
to do a API integration. In case
right.
of API integration, template whitelisting is not required.
Okay, okay,
Because in the
that's good.
API parameter only, there is a parameter called DLT content ID, where
Okay,
if integration is done in such a manner, so that is not required. Second thing, for panel execution, wherever there is a child user who's going ahead and adding a template, so they need to come here, template management. I think we covered this particular point other day
right.
on create template. But before
Okay.
this, I'll take you
I
because
think
this
we
would
did
be
not cover this. I'm not sure.
nothing here, no problem. So this account that we have created for Tireplex numeric promo,
Right.
you can come to the sender ID request first. You can
Okay.
add the sender ID. Now, in this case, it would be a numeric sender ID, for example, that needs to be added because this account will only support numeric sender ID. You can
Okay.
select
Right.
Pro from the drop down. Without making any changes to this number, you can simply click on create request.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Once you click on create request, this will come like this. Then you need to log on to your account.
Okay. The primary account.
Yes.
Got it. Power user account. Got it. The respective power account user.
Respective power account user.
Okay.
Then you will see sender ID management here.
Sure.
You will see this request. You will click on sender ID request is not approved. Please raise sender request first. Okay.
Okay.
Now this is raised to me
Okay.
for
All right.
approval. And then once I approve, you will be able to use it.
Got it. Got it.
As you see, it is here.
Right. So first, the Diaplex. Okay. All the headers, like we need to, all the sender IDs, we need to first get approved, right? For Diaplex and 928.
First request will be raised by the child user. It will
Okay.
come to you. You will
Come to
raise it.
me.
You will raise it. It will come to me. Then I'll approve it. Then it will be live. And I'm
Got
just discarding this request because
Right.
this is not allowed in this account.
Okay. All right. That was directly linked with that account. Okay.
Because this is a numeric promo account.
Right.
We do not have a alpha sender ID in this numeric promo account.
Right.
Same way, when you wanted to add the template, you
Okay.
can click here, create template, give a
Okay.
name. For example, give me a moment.
And this can have the spaces also, right?
No, underscore, no spaces.
Okay.
Row. Sender ID is not there, so we will not be able to. Okay, I'll just positional, DLT content ID, and your message text. Now, if you are uploading the template type as positional, so your variable will be replaced with number 1, 2, 3, so on, so forth, based on number of variable that you have. Okay.
Okay. Okay. All right.
If it is variable, then your variable will be prefixed by $, and in here you need to give a respective header using which you will be mentioning this database file of that you are going to upload.
If you can elaborate, please, more on this.
For example, if you are doing a campaign where there is a mobile number, there is one variable, there is two variable. So first
Right.
variable, whatever variable header in the Excel sheet that you are giving, just example as name
Right.
in your sheet. You need to mention that here in the exact manner, and it should be prefixed by $.
Okay. All right.
Right? And
This will only be applicable for the bulk SMS, not the API.
yes, bulk SMS. So without even taking anything into consideration, if you just say positional, so it will show you 0, 1. Don't consider 0, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Okay.
in case of variable, it is
It will take the name of variable.
exact variable header that you are planning to give in your Excel sheet, and it
Right.
would be fixed by $.
Got it.
So yes, that's about it. I think you can go through the panel once.
Right.
You can jot down your queries if any, and then we can connect again if required.
Sure. So let me just absorb this. Let me discuss with my team. If in the meantime, if you can also please share this recording with Spencer.
I think it will directly come to you because you received the invite directly, right?
Right.
So most likely it will come to you directly. You can check.
Right.
It may take some time, but it will directly come. If not, definitely Pushpinder will share that with you.
Sure. So let us see this panel and let us learn these steps, so that internally, once we learn, then we'll pass on the KT to our clients also. Right.
Very much.
So in the meantime, if I face any difficulties, I'll
Anytime.
If I can have your phone number, sir, like maybe on WhatsApp or something.
So 91676719.
Gaurav, so I have created a group. You must have the request, so you can just accept it. So a common group.
We'll keep it open.
Okay. On the group which you have created, sir.
I think I just created a group between Times and EDarpan.
All right. Just a moment. I guess right now there are only two people. Okay, you and me. Okay, on that group.
I think Gaurav sir have to approve that request in order to come into the group.
We will keep it over a call. Right? If anything, I have shared my number over a chat. Gagandeep,
right. I have noted.
You can also share your number, over chat with me. I'll make a note of it.
Right.
If anything, let me know. And you have my. I'll share my team email ID as well. That is antp.sd.
Right. I have messaged you on WhatsApp.
Yeah. So that's my ID. If anything, you can write to us on this email ID as well.
Sure, sir. I have noted it.
Sure. Okay, then.
All right, sir. Thank you.
We'll wait for you from you, if anything.
Sure. Sir, you would have also received the request from 91BL. So if you can please approve that.
I'll do that. I'll check and I'll do that. No worries.
Thank you, Gaurav, sir. Thank you, Pushpin, sir.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you all.
Thanks.
Bye.